We'll remove the music a bit. For 1 minute. Hi guys, how na day? Weekend thing. I just say, although I'm not the life. I just say, man, come and go buy something. Get a lot at home like that. I buy soap and I would like to go to that shop. That shop where they call whether a price. If they that Domingo Bertrand Junction. I will pack food. Now they think now. You know that Chinese place from they go now go they buy tomatoes. Oh, where? That shop when they call free, you know, price that they call it. They on our side too.
Go buy those big tomatoes.
No, that one don't close by now. It did Domingo Bertrand Junction. Domingo Bertrand Junction. The store.
Why did they sell it? Why won't buy it?
They are soap they good, sha. They are soap they good. They get like all these nice maca soap and cheap. So good. Soap one use last soap. And I have a buyer. But weekend. Since morning I just like the house. Doing nothing. Doing like vlogging and all.
Yeah, charger. Yeah.
What's it? Charger for phone. You can. I will go storage. Storage. No, not be here. That storage. I think you go do this storage. I be get plenty charger. All of the year disappear. Whether I did some my bag go, I don't know. Get charger. I get charger. Could you believe say I don't take my bicycle again? My new bicycle. Why I bring come? They stole it yesterday. Waiting I go do these people. Waiting I go do them. I not go bring bicycle. They not even. I even buy key to lock them. Very strong key. I even bought the key for cutting glass. Still yet.
No Chevron.
They see thief that bicycle.
Yeah, you did.
No, they see thief that bicycle. Waiting I go do. Waiting I go do all this OG bicycle for my state.
Yes,
as that my bicycle fine rich. Classic rich.
Yes, your location.
They still decide to steal it.
And they go towards the
waiting I go do there. Bye bicycle.
Gambler will they go there.
Bye bicycle.
On that junction.
Me, I am tired of them.
If you don't reach your show money,
okay.
you don't reach there.
See you. Bye.